Hello, welcome back to Speedy Calc. In this video, we're going to show how to sync your account to your computer. So you have information that was provided with your link to your account and your username and password. So we're going to go ahead and copy the link into our browser using the incognito mode, just so there's no interference with any other Microsoft accounts that we have. It's going to ask you for an email, phone, Skype. This is the prompt from Microsoft. It is a SharePoint site. So we're going to go ahead and enter that information in. We have the username provided here. Going to copy that, paste it. Next, now it's asking for a password. So we're going to go ahead and get that information as well. Just copy, highlight it, copy, and we'll paste it in there. Sign into our account. We can hit don't show this again, hit yes, and now we're in our account. Now what you are going to see in the header here are some options, and we're going to want to hit project calculator. And so these are the files in our account. What we want to do is hit the sync button, so go ahead and click that. See this window that pops up, always allow. This is going to connect to OneDrive. OneDrive from Microsoft, if you're not aware, is what connects the cloud to your desktop. So go ahead and open. You can close this, and then it is working. Okay, we're going to go ahead to our File Explorer. We're going to open this up, and we're going to what you're going to find is it's going to end up popping up here on the left. Okay, and similar to this WinLoad Solutions, we're going to have something similar with this blue icon with like a white building inside it, but your account should pop up. Okay, so what it's doing is currently syncing to your computer, and let's go ahead and what you'll see down here below, there's a little caret sometimes if you don't see just the cloud itself. So we're going to hover over this and find the one that we want, and let's see, here it is signing in. So it's the little arrows there, if you can see it. Kind of looks like a recycling symbol, but it's two arrows going around. That's the syncing sign. That's me, and it's a cloud. This is the cloud is OneDrive. So go ahead, and we're gonna, if it doesn't just pop up on your screen, you can go here. So we're gonna go to sign in, and it's gonna prompt us again for the username password. So this is the username that we were provided. If it's not, you're going to want to sign in with a different account. Okay, but we're going to go back to our information, and I'm going to copy the password, paste it, sign in. Just minimize that for now. So here it is signing in, and this will just take a moment. Okay, now it looks like everything is working. So next thing we want to do is we can go back to our File Explorer. I'm going to go to Home, and there it is, the little icon with the building, Speedy Calc. There's our demo files. You'll see it's the same thing as what's here. So small project demo, pics, read. Now I'll just show you, right? I'm going to add a new folder, and I'll just call it new project. So you can add as many projects as you would like. I'm going to create it, and I'll just any color you want, right? I can choose blue. Here you see new project. I'm going to go back to that folder. I'm going to refresh it, and I should see new project pop up in there. And then you can work, but you can work off your computer here, right? So let's see. Let's refresh this back here and go to my Speedy Calc demo. If you see the cloud isn't fully synced, if you see the check, it means everything has been fully synced to your computer. You can go ahead and double click on it, and when you double click, it kind of pushes it to go ahead and start syncing. So I'll double click these files that I'm going to want to use. So it shows it's in the cloud. If it's a cloud symbol, if it's checked, then it means that it's actually been synced to your computer, and then you can open them directly on your computer here, right? So this is the desktop version. This is the online version. You can open up projects. We're still looking for this one. I think maybe we have to sync it again since we added something new. Back, and there it is. So all we had to do was we had to hit the sync button again, and then it would sync everything that's new back into this file. So you can see now these match. I can see the new project, and now if I go in here and say I add a new folder here and I call it project A, project B, whatever you want to put in this folder to track your projects. Now you can see the little symbol there. Okay, check. So now if I go here, there they are. Okay, so that just shows that everything is in sync. So you can access it here online anytime. It will be, you go back to your computer and it will be there, and vice versa. Okay, so what you can also do if you get a new computer or whatever, you have to go through the process again. But if something goes, your Wi-Fi goes down, and maybe you have new Wi-Fi or something like that, you have to go. You can always go back to your cloud, and you can right-click on it, and you can go ahead and you can sign in this way if you'd like. Okay, there's settings. You can go ahead and check out your account. Okay, and that's really it. Going to go ahead and show a couple other things here, just to let you know that what you can do is when you open this project online, you don't have to sync it to open the Excel version. You can also click on these three dots here, and when you click on those, you get a menu at the top. You see open. You can open it a couple different ways. You can open it in your browser, which is the same as if you just click it, the file right there. But if you open an app, then it opens in your desktop. So if you don't sync it to your computer, you can still open it in your desktop view of Microsoft and use it this way if you'd like. But it's a lot easier to open it, if you want to work off your desktop in this manner. Okay, that's it. I hope that helps.